Welcome to Winner's Bench. The Best Gel Tips is probably one of the most exciting innovations in the nail industry, offering a flawless, long-lasting manicure in a fraction of the time. These pre-shaped tips, applied with gel, promise a durable and natural-looking finish that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned nail enthusiasts. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right ones? Let's dive in and explore everything you need to know about selecting the perfect gel tips for your next manicure. Number 5. Beetles Gel Nail Kit with LED Lamp. This all-in-one kit from Beetles gives you everything you need. It includes pre-shaped nail tips and a revolutionary UV nail lamp. You can easily extend your nails and enjoy the fun of DIY. The innovative nail lamp uses smart sensing technology. It turns on when you insert your nail and off when you remove it. This portable UV light efficiently dries all kinds of nail art. The multifunctional UV nail glue is a game changer. It works as a nail tips adhesive, base gel, blooming gel, rhinestone glue, and slip solution. Let it do the magic for you. These nail tips are crafted from premium PMMA. They offer a natural wear feeling with a thin back edge. The set includes 500 pieces in 10 sizes, numbered for easy matching. Extend your nails in just 3 minutes and enjoy them for over 21 days. The upgraded formula of the glue gel and nail tips provides the best break-resistant support. You will love it. What we like. This kit is a true all-in-one solution, including everything you need for perfect gel extensions. It features a smart curing lamp that activates with your nail, making the process super easy. And the multifunctional glue can be used as base gel, blooming gel, and more. If you're a beginner looking for a complete and convenient kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The gel tips are easy to apply. They are very durable and last a long time. The design is very natural looking. Number 4. SAVILAND Gel Nail Kit with Drill. This all-in-one kit from SAVILAND is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to get started with gel nails, making it easy to achieve salon-quality results at home. The included nail glue gel ensures your nail tips stay firmly in place. It only takes a minute to apply, and the results can last for weeks. Plus, it can be used in multiple ways for your nail art. The electric nail drill in this kit has an adjustable speed up to 20,000 revolutions per minute. It can be used for various tasks, such as prepping, polishing, and removing dead skin, making your manicure process more efficient. The kit includes 500 long coffin soft gel nail tips that feel natural and are made of non-toxic material. These tips can be used with various nail products, providing a comfortable and beautiful manicure experience. The nail glue gel might feel sticky after curing, which is normal. If you have any questions about this kit, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help you enjoy your shopping experience. What we like. This kit includes an electric nail drill, which significantly speeds up the prep and finishing process. The glue gel ensures a fast and firm application, saving you time. Plus, the nails are designed to last for weeks. If you're a nail art enthusiast who values efficiency and durability, you'll love this kit. What people say. The gel nail kit comes with everything you need to DIY. The nail tips, which are full coverage, are of good quality, and there is a large variety of sizes making it easy to find the right fit for each nail. The 4-in-1 brush-on gel is easy to use and cures quickly with the included light. Number 3. SAVILAND Nail Stamper Kit for French Manicure. This SAVILAND kit includes 2 long and 2 short jelly nail stampers, along with scrapers. It's designed for easy use, quickly picking up patterns. The clear silicone ensures the image transfers perfectly, making nail art stylish and fun for everyone. The SAVILAND Jelly Clear nail stamps are soft and durable, with long and short sizes to fit various nail types and designs. It's recommended to use liquid nail latex with the short stamper when doing French manicures. This helps prevent the gel from sticking to your skin. The silicone stamper heads are removable for easy cleaning. These stampers are made of soft, upgraded silicone. When using them on pointed or square nails, press gently to avoid damaging the silicone head. This mini-sized SAVILAND nail stamper kit is perfect for DIY nail art anywhere. Enjoy the fun and creativity of stamping your own designs. First, apply colored gel polish to the edges, then press vertically to create classic French nails. Finally, you'll have a clean French manicure. Clean the stamper with running water or a slip solution, and let it air dry. You can also use Scotch tape to remove any gel polish or dirt. If you have any issues with the kit, contact customer service anytime. They are ready to help you solve the problem. Thank you for choosing SAVILAND. What we like. This kit is all about creating beautiful French manicures with ease. The jelly stamper picks up patterns quickly and clearly, and it's designed for both long and short nails. If you like classic French tips and want to achieve them at home, this stamper kit is a must-have. What people say. They are very easy to apply. The nails are very sturdy and have lasted me a while. They are very easy to use and I love that they come in different sizes. Number 2. Modelones 510 PCS Almond Gel Nail Tips. Want to easily extend your nails and enjoy DIY manicures? These pre-buffed gel nail tips are perfect for you. The half-matte texture design increases friction and adhesion, making them easy to use. These full-cover, half-matte false nail tips are made with high-quality material. They are breathable, lightweight, and durable, giving your nails a natural and beautiful look. They are also toxin-free and safe for your nails and health. Extend your nails in just 3 minutes and enjoy them for over 28 days. The specially developed nail gel provides excellent break-resistant support for your extended nails. You will love them. This nail extension set includes 510 medium almond nails tips in 15 different sizes. Each size is individually numbered from 00 to 13, with 34 nails of each size. It's easy to find the perfect fit for every finger. If the nail tips appear larger than expected, it's because the almond shape visually elongates the nails. There might also be slight differences between the screen display and the actual product. Please refer to the size chart on the product page and choose based on your nail size. What we like. These almond-shaped tips feature a half-matte finish for increased adhesion, ensuring your extensions last. They're made from high-quality, durable material that feels natural. If you're looking for a stylish and long-lasting almond shape, you should consider this one. What people say. The gel tips are easy to apply. They are very durable. The gel tips are easy to shape. Number 1. Modelones Short Square Nail Tips, DIY Manicure Kit. Want beautiful nails without the salon visit? These pre-shaped gel tips from Modelones make it easy. You can extend your nails quickly and enjoy the fun of DIY manicure. Made with high-quality, breathable, and lightweight material, these nail tips feel natural. They are designed to be durable and safe, with no toxins or unpleasant smells. Get stunning nails that last. This formula provides excellent break-resistant support, so you can enjoy your extended nails for weeks. It only takes minutes to apply. The kit includes 216 nail tips in 12 different sizes, each individually numbered. This ensures you find the perfect fit for every finger, making application a breeze. These tips are perfect for various nail art techniques. You can use them with gel polish, liner gel, acrylics, and more. It's great for salon or home use. What we like. These short square tips are pre-buffed with a half-matte finish for better adhesion. They are easy to apply and can be used with various nail products. If you like the classic square shape and want versatility in your nail art, this is a great choice. What people say. The gel tips are easy to apply. They are very durable and last a long time. The design is very natural looking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.